check it out. And of course we got all the junk that I need to go through and throw more crap away. And then more junk. But I got my bicycle hook utilization hanging up on my bikes. That's my, here's some history. This is the bike that got my cycling started. It's a 2012 Gravity Base Camp 2.0. I bought it from Bikes Direct for like 400 bucks, and it's an awesome bike. It still works really well. If I were to ride it, I'm sure it would still ride nicely. This bike got me into cycling, you know, so of course I keep it. I never ride it anymore, but I will keep it, you know, because it's the reason I got into cycling. So that was the bike that changed it all back in 2012. So then after that, I decided, I tried to road bike with this. I tried to do 60 miles of the Superman ride. Failed miserably. I think I did like 30 miles maybe? I don't know. Couldn't do the 60 all the way though. It's too much. Then someone said, you need to get a road bike. So I bought this baby. This is a Trek 2013, I think. Trek 1. I believe it's the 1. Yeah, 1.1. So that I put on there just now. Just to get it out of the way. It doesn't go to that. But this was the first road bike. And other than it's a little small, just a tad bit smaller than I want, it's the first road bike I put clip-ins on. I really enjoyed it. Really have a lot of good memories with that first road bike. It cost about $700, something like that. Then I spent about maybe $800 on the Trek 1.2. 1 Series 1.2. And it has regular pedals, but it had clip-ins. But I ended up putting regular pedals on because I bought a different bike, which I'll show you here in a minute. And this bike is obviously kind of gutted. I'm going to put it back together once I get that fixed, but I don't think it can get fixed, but we'll see. If not, oh well. It's hard for me to get rid of it though. I put Santa Claus stuff all over it. There we go. Howdy folks, Shawnee Cyclist here, and today we're in my workshop. So that's what this is, my workshop. Cool, huh? So the point of coming out here today, coming to this particular room, this shed, was to change a bike tire, which should be fairly easy. It's going to be my road bike tire because this one, something's wrong with the tire. So that's my plan. And then I started cleaning my shed. So let's see if that is going to show everything. Should. There you go. So, should be pretty easy. Should be pretty easy. Didn't know that was gonna happen. Okay, got the tire off. Next, I have this tire, and I'm hoping it fits. Should. I feel like it's the same tire, so that's my plan. And this will fit. That should work, folks. That should work. It's a good tire. There's still tread and everything on here. I think I replaced it. I think it's a fairly new tire. So, this was the whole point of me coming out here. It's a different tire, but I think it'll work. Should. Looks normal. Pretty normal. So let's see here. Put that there so it doesn't. Looks pretty normal. How about you? What do you think, folks? Looks like a normal road bike. The way a road bike should look like. Take that computer sensor off. That thing doesn't. I don't need that anymore. That's old. Maybe I won't take it off. Okay, I'll leave it on. It's not hurting anything. So, did what I wanted to do, which was put the new tire on so I could take that with me tomorrow and ride it instead of riding the big old beast. So now I'm gonna get back to here. Let me show you what happened here if I can find it. Let's see. This tire is pretty good too. I'll just get it replaced and probably put it back on. Oh, here we go. You can see that there's a tear, pretty good tear, pretty good hole in the tire. It's a pretty good tear, so I'm gonna have to take this tire off and get a new one. This is my current road bike. It cost a couple $1,000s because it's completely carbon. It has one of these duo things. Don't really know what that is. I need to look that up and start using it. Clip-ins, everything's carbon. The fork, the frame, not the wheels. It's my baby. I like it a lot. It's big. Big enough for me. So here's my mountain bike. It's a 2011 Trek Marlin. I got it way after 2011, but it was never used. It just stayed in a bike shop. No one ever bought it because it's big. It's a 29er, and I really enjoy this bike. A lot of memories. Still runs like it did in 2011. And you know, I've modified it a bit. I put a bag on it. I've wore out the seat pretty good. I've wore out a lot on it, and I love it. You know, I don't really want a new mountain bike because this one's perfect. You know, I just don't really want to buy a new one right now. I'm sure I will eventually, but right now I really like this bike. It's done me well over the years, and all I've really had to buy for it is maybe a chain and a tire. I bought 2 tires. I replaced the front one, and I got another one here just in case it goes out. And yeah, one of the tires to this one is here. The other one is, no, that's the tire. The other one's right here. I used on that because my tires just not working right now, so I put the tire and rim. We'll see how good that works tomorrow when I ride, but this is my workshop. I have a crap ton of inner tubes. The reason is because I used to have Gossman bikes. That was my little workshop. I used to repair bicycles. Even had my first dollar bill that I made on April 30th, 2013. So I don't do that anymore. It was just something kind of fun, and I mainly worked on old bikes from folks who were kind of poor, you know. So I don't have time for that anymore, but got me some extra tires, redneck wind chimes. I don't drink that kind of beer anymore. Look at that, 2012 Colorfest Biathlon, second place, 26 to 29. I'll tell you a secret. I got second place because there's no one behind me. They had to give away the plaque. That's true, folks. I was last. I was fat and slow. Got my Kiwanis handkerchiefs from the Wren Lake Fun Ride. They don't do that no more. Sad. Bunch of junk. Got all these, like, you know, different cycling stuff hanged up. I'm not gonna show you, but in this drawer I probably got like 6 dozen bicycling magazines. So it's kind of funny. And then I got this bike trailer for kids. A buddy of mine gave it to me, Gary. Thank you, Gary. I'm gonna use it to hopefully one day bike tunnel Katy Trail, the entirety of it. So that's my plan. So anyways, if you can hear that, there's an ice cream truck running. I guess they're essential. I don't know. I guess they wear a mask. I don't know. You know, that's not my decision. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, like button. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, because I got more shed cleaning to do, and probably more bike repairs once I start trying to do something with that. And share this. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and if you have a cycling channel or a channel that, you know, I'm interested in, I'll subscribe back probably. So so that's pretty much it.